In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put two tables side by side in Google Docs. This can be really handy when you need to compare data or present information more clearly. Let's dive right into it. First, open up your Google Drive homepage. This is where you'll find all your documents and be able to create new ones. Once you're there, locate the New button, which allows you to start a new Google Doc. Create a blank document if you need to start fresh, or simply open an existing document where you intend to place your tables. Once your document is open, you'll notice a series of menus at the top of the page. File, Edit, View, and Insert are among them. Next, click on Insert. This drop-down menu is crucial as it houses the table option. When you click Table, you'll be prompted to choose the dimensions of your table. For our purposes, you'll want to start by highlighting the cells that will create two columns side by side. That means highlighting a 1x2 cell table. Once you have your table set up, click inside one of the boxes to position your cursor there. This sets the stage for your next move. Placing individual tables into each of these columns, return to the Insert menu and again select Table. This time choose the desired number of rows and columns you want each table to have. Insert your first table in the left cell. After setting up the first table, you'll need to repeat the process for the right cell. Click inside the right cell to position your cursor there, then go back to Insert and Table, and just as before, specify the number of rows and columns you need for the second table. After following these steps, both tables will be neatly side by side within their individual boxes. You might want to further refine their appearance. Place your cursor back in one of the tables and click on Format. In the drop-down menu, select Table Options. Here, you'll find several customization options including layout, style, and color. By clicking on Table Options, you'll see Table Border. Set it to 0 to remove any extra border lines, giving your tables a more polished and seamless look. That's it! Now you have two tables sitting side by side in Google Docs, cleanly presented without any unnecessary borders. This layout helps make your document look more organized and aids in the clear comparison or presentation of information. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy organizing!